Good morning, viewers. I am Saraswati, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today, we are going to see about the topic is Introduction to OS. OS is a operating system. It's a program that acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware, and it controls the execution of all the kinds of a program. An operating system is a system software that manages computer hardware, software, resources, and provides common services for computer program. This is a architecture of a operating system. Many number of users is connected to the software and then hardware. The software, it may be a system software and application software. Hardware, the CPU, random access memory, and I/O devices. These are the hardware devices. The OS, it connect the software and hardware. Architecture of a operating system. The modern computer consists of one or two CPU with two main memory and various I/O devices. The common bus is used for communication between these devices. Each device has its own device controller. The CPU and device controller uses memory cycle for execution purpose. Bootstrap program is loaded when the user start the computer. It initiates all the device connect to the computer system and then loads required device driver. After this operating system loads in one computer system. In Unix OS, it is the first process which execute by the OS. Interrupt is a software and hardware. It is used to send signal to CPU. The software interrupt is sometimes called system call. When interrupt is triggered, the CPU stops its execution the instruction and control is transferred to the fixed location. The starting address is stored at a fixed location where the service routine executes interrupt. Interrupt do not alter the control flow of the process executing on the processor. Next one is the storage structure. The storage structure, the process access the data from main memory before executing any instruction. The DRAM is used in main memory. This is a hierarchy of storage devices. At the top hierarchy, we have a storage on the CPU register. Cache memory is capacity is less than 1 MB. This is a storage hierarchy of devices, storage devices. The user program and data are stored in the main memory. The main memory is volatile, so it cannot stored permanently. The storage system is classified as temporary storage or permanent storage. The top level storage devices are low capacity with faster CPU access and bottom level storage devices having very large capacity with a slower CPU access speed. I/O structure. Every device uses a device controller to connect it to the computer address and database. The device can be classified as block oriented and character oriented, depending on the number of bytes transferred on a individual operation. All the I/O devices are connected to each time by using a common bus. The CPU and the main memory is also connected with this bus. The various types of controller used in the computer system. There is small computer system interface controller can handle up to 7 device controller. This is a instruction execution cycle. The instruction execution cycle consists of 5 steps. The program which is to be executed is a set of instructions which are stored in the memory. The CPU executes the instruction of the program to complete its task. The major responsibility of the instruction execution is within the CPU. The instruction execution takes place in the CPU register. A general purpose register contains the address of the instruction. The CPU decodes the instruction to figure out what to do. The CPU fetches any data needed by the instruction from the memory. or register. Main objective of operating system. The operating system objective is to make the computer system more efficient, convenient, and secure. It also manages the hardware resources of the computer. Efficiency and process management. They schedule the processes to maximize CPU utilization and make the computer faster. Resource management. It manages the hardware resources of the computer, such as CPU, memory, disk storage, and instruction devices. Next one, it provides a fair allocation of resources. Convenience, that is user friendly. It makes the computer system more interactive within a more convenient interface to the user. It is easy to access. It provides easy to access to user for using resources. Security, protection. It helps in keeping the user data safe with the help of a protection like password. Another objective is unauthorized access. It avoids unauthorized access to the user data and program. Networking. It provides networking capabilities. It allows the computer system to connect to other system and device driver over a network. Job accounting. It's keep track of all the functions of a computer system, including memory, resources, and errors. Program execution. It provides a convenient environment where the user can run their program. These are the main objective of a OS. These are the main functions of a OS. The functions of the OS such as process management, device management, file management, and then IO management, device driver management, resource management, networking, security, and program execution. These are the main objectives of a OS. The OS which control the all the hardware and software resources. It also manages the software, hardware, and then resources. Thank you.